10 best spices you must have in your kitchen if you want to eat healthy and live healthy. Join me as we unveil the number 2 on our list, turmeric powder. Turmerics are very, very essential in our kitchen. Yes, because it's rich in plant-based food, which is associated with prevention of medical conditions such as heart diseases, cancer, to mention a few. Welcome to my channel. Please, if you're new on my channel, you're highly welcome. Stay with us. You will never regret. And for my old subscribers, I really appreciate you. Thank you for being there. Please don't hesitate to share and comment on my post. I will really do appreciate that. So to prepare your turmeric powder, you need either fresh or dried turmeric. I don't mean powder dried ones, so because I prefer preparing it myself. I don't like buying from the ones they prepare, because you can imagine this. You can see the quantity of that came out of just half mudu of turmeric, and some of them will not have time to start selecting all this. They will go ahead and pour it and grind everything. Some wouldn't even have time to start washing it and drying it again before grinding. You know what I mean? I selected it, make sure remove all the bad ones and wash it. I wash it several times before I come up with a clean part of it. So after that, I oven dried it. If you don't have oven, you can sun dry. You don't have to keep patronizing preservatives in the market. Prepare these ones you can prepare. It can even last you up to 6 months. This one, if you dry it very well and grind, it will last you up to 6 months before you prepare another one. It's not hard to do. Let's be very careful so we'll be able to eat healthy and stay healthy. There are so many things you can prepare with this powder turmeric. You can use it for your cooking, for your fried rice, for your jollof rice, for your tea. I know different teas you can prepare with this turmeric powder, which I'm going to be dropping one very soon. It can also cleanse your system. You can even brighten your skin. You can use it for your facials. You can add it to your scrub. Plenty things you can use turmeric for. Number 3 on our list will be dropping very soon. Please, you can only get to know when I drop it if you subscribe and turn on the notification. Please try and do that. Make sure you don't miss it, because together we must eat healthy and stay healthy. Store your grounded turmeric in a dried, airtight container. Keep it on your shelf. Store in a dry place, not in your fridge, on top of your kitchen shelf. If you have made it up to this point, please comment on the comment section I made it, because at the end of these 10 spices videos, I'm going to release your best choice of spice to you. I really mean that. Thank you for watching, and bye.